Tongue blisters are common oral problems, which are categorized as swelling, spots or sores on the tongue. Some of the symptoms that are associated with tongue blisters are sores on the tongue or cheeks, painful blisters, white or red lesions, burning sensation in the mouth, fever, in very rare cases. Common salt. Common salt is an amazing home remedy that helps to lessen the inflammation and pain caused by the blisters. Besides this, antibacterial properties of salt help to naturally fight underlying infection. Remedy: mix 1 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm, get relieved from tongue blisters, water, and rinse your mouth well. Repeat this several times in a day. Baking soda. Baking soda possesses strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to reduce the inflammation and heal blisters. Moreover, its alkaline nature facilitates maintaining the pH balance in the mouth, which eases to get rid of tongue blisters. Remedy: in a cup of warm water, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and rinse your mouth well as with this solution. You can also make a paste of baking soda and apply it on the blisters. Repeat this 3 times a day. Ice cubes. Ice cubes possess potential anesthetic and 6 effective home remedies to ease tongue blister very fast properties that work well to soothe the inflammation and heal tongue blisters. Remedy: take an ice cube, keep it on the blisters until it becomes numb. You can also sip on cold water often. Repeat this several times in a day to alleviate tongue blisters. Coconut oil. The potent antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral traits of coconut oil are valuable for healing the tongue blisters. Remedy: apply coconut oil directly to the affected area with a cotton ball, gently. Furthermore, oil pulling is an effective natural remedy that works well to treat tongue blisters. Swish coconut oil in and around the mouth for a few seconds and spit it out. Honey. Honey is known to possess wound healing properties. Remedy: apply honey on the affected area, or drink warm honey tea. Heal sore by maintaining oral hygiene. Remedy: brush your teeth twice a day with a soft toothbrush and floss every day.